And this is going to be short and sweet. Brushed Typhon Mega, the newest version, upgraded tranny, yada yada yada. I was going to do a comparison, get speed and Solom and all that for this brushed version, and then put the brushless system in. And, you know, it's a dog. So the power plant's coming out. That power plant's coming out. And this one here is going in. You might recognize it. Right? Your basic 3S system for an Arrma these days. So I'll put that in there. And then got other big plans for, oh yeah. Whenever I get any Arrmas, especially this 3S and 4S line, first thing I do, draw out these posts, because it sucks to get the pins in and out. Second, I always...
Yes, B!
So they stay together. Alright. Happy birthday to me. Let's get right at it, dog.
And presto!
New Typhon built. Ready to go, take out for some durability testing. Yeah, it sounds pretty smooth. Definitely needs more tire.
Hell yeah. Ugh.
Look for the upcoming install video of this chassis brace and these shocks soon.
Dude, it rips.
Right? Dude, this thing, what happened? You know? Ooh, big boys! RC Madlabz. Say, chassis brace and shim kit that I'll be breaking down for you. I just wanted to get it out there. And my buddy Dave, Dave over at Heavy Metal RC is going to be doing a Typhon too. And presto, we got 3S brushless system with a grainy body. Peace. Why do you need one of these on one of these? So stuff like this don't happen. I'm gonna get rid of slop like that. Get that. Okay, so a quick rundown on the Madlabz kit, chassis shim kit here. It's what you start off with. It doesn't matter if it's new or old, Brex or not. This kit has a little bit of everything, and as far as shims go, to take care of A-arms, front, inside, and out of the A-arms, and all your tie rods and turnbuckles, steering turnbuckles. Basically blueprint your chassis. Yeah. Detailed instructions, which you never get with frickin' aftermarket parts.
Wait, what do you mean? Aftermarket parts with directions? No, saying ain't so, Batman.
Question about your install, Dan would be more than happy to fill those for you. And after you get that all dialed in, so you get all the slop out of this pig.
I don't know what dude's rambling about, but basically, get this shit and go subscribe to Dan's channel. He's a wealth of information. That's RC Madlabz, Madlabz. Go check out his channel, support him, subscribe, like, comment. Thanks. And if you'd like to purchase the product, go to eBay and look it up. Pretty, pretty, shiny, shiny.
And labels for where your holes are going to go. So, myself and Dave from Heavy Metal RC.
And they call it heavy metal noise. That'd be doo-doo Dave to you, my friend.
Install, video, review. I'm going to share links with each other and T-bone bumper. And yeah, so stay tuned. And I'll have more information for you about the Madlabz kits and have a new Typhon to send. Thanks.